What is up, budget PC builders and tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you have an older office PC, maybe a Dell Latitude desktop or an HP Pro Series Micro Tower just sitting around collecting dust? Or maybe you're trying to put together a snappy home theater PC or a light gaming rig without completely emptying your wallet. If you've looked at the graphics card market recently, you know that prices for high-end GPUs can be absolutely terrifying. But what if I told you that you don't need to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to get a smooth, reliable video output, dual monitor support, and some solid light gaming performance? Today we are looking at a brilliant little piece of hardware that can breathe new life into almost any aging desktop. We are talking about the SRhonyra GT 1030 2GB low-profile graphics card. Now, before we dive into the deep end of the specs, benchmarks, and exactly what this card can do for you, I want to let you know that if you decide this is the perfect upgrade for your system, I've left a direct Amazon link right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the fastest way to check the current pricing, read user reviews, and pick one up for yourself today. It also helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, which allows me to keep bringing you these budget-focused tech reviews, so definitely check that out when you're ready. Alright, let's talk about the SRhonyra GT 1030. Right out of the gate, the most important feature of this card is its physical size. This is a low-profile graphics card. For those who might be new to PC building, standard graphics cards are tall and bulky. They fit great in standard mid-tower or full-tower cases. But what if you bought a refurbished small form factor PC? You know, those slim, compact desktop computers that offices use? A standard graphics card simply will not fit inside those cases, and that is exactly where the SRhonyra GT 1030 comes in to save the day. It is specifically designed to fit into micro towers and small form factor or SSF PCs. It usually comes with a low-profile bracket right in the box, meaning you just swap out the metal bracket, slot it into your motherboard, and you are good to go. But it's not just about the size, it's about what's under the hood. Let's break down the technical specifications into plain English so you know exactly what you are paying for. This specific model features the GT 1030 graphics coprocessor backed by 2 GB of video RAM. Now, pay very close attention here because this is crucial. There are two versions of the GT 1030 out in the wild, one with incredibly slow DDR4 memory and one with much faster GDDR5 memory. I'm thrilled to report that this SRhonyra model uses the vastly superior GDDR5 memory type on a 64-bit interface. What does that mean for you? It means you are getting the true GT 1030 experience. With a GPU clock speed of 1228 MHz and a memory clock speed of 1502 MHz, this card is optimized for efficiency and responsiveness. It connects via a PCI-e Express 3.0 X4 interface, but don't worry, it is fully compatible with X8 and standard X16 PCIe slots on your motherboard. Basically, if your motherboard was made in the last decade, this card will snap right in and work flawlessly. Let's talk about connectivity and display out, because honestly, this is the main reason a lot of people buy this card. If you're a student, a programmer, or someone who works from home, working on a single screen can be incredibly frustrating. You want your research on one screen and your document on the other. The SRhonyra GT 1030 features an excellent video output interface. It abandons the old, outdated VGA and DVI ports and steps into the modern era with one HDMI port and one display port. This means you get native, out-of-the-box support for a dual monitor setup. And it doesn't just output a basic signal. This little card supports a maximum display resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. That's right, it outputs a crystal clear 4K signal. If you're building a home theater PC to hook up to your 4K living room television, this card is going to handle your high-definition movies, streaming services, and YouTube videos without breaking a sweat. It also supports DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.5, and HCDP 2.2, ensuring compatibility with modern software and secure streaming platforms. Now, one of the biggest hurdles when upgrading an older budget PC is the power supply. Most pre-built office computers have very weak power supplies, sometimes only 200 or 250 watts, and they do not have the extra PCIe express power cables required by bigger gaming graphics cards. Here is the beauty of the GT 1030. It is incredibly power efficient. It draws all the power it needs directly from the motherboard slot. There are no extra 6-pin or 8-pin power cables to worry about. You literally just push it into the slot, screw in the bracket, and turn the computer on. It is the ultimate plug-and-play upgrade. And despite its low power draw, it features a dedicated single-fan cooling system to keep the temperatures down, ensuring the card runs quiet and stays cool even under a workload. Okay, I know what a lot of you are thinking. It sounds great for office work and YouTube, but can it game? Let's set some realistic expectations. This is not the card you buy to play Cyberpunk 2077 at maximum settings in 4K. But if you're a budget gamer, an esports fan, or if you're setting up a PC for your kids to play their favorite titles, you will be pleasantly surprised. Because this is the GDDR5 version of the GT 1030, it is fully capable of playing popular esports and indie titles. Games like Minecraft, Roblox, League of Legends, Valorant, and Counter-Strike 2 will run very smoothly, especially if you dial the settings to medium or play at 1080p or 720p resolutions. It is also an absolute beast for retro gaming and emulation. If you want to turn an old micro tower into a dedicated classic arcade machine for your living room, this card provides way more than enough horsepower to emulate your favorite classic consoles flawlessly. It is a massive step up from the integrated graphics found on older Intel processors. If you've been struggling with stuttering video or games that look like slideshows because you don't have a dedicated GPU, dropping this SRhonyra GT 1030 into your system will feel like a night and day difference. So, who is the SRhonyra GT 1030 2GB really for? It is for the smart, budget-conscious user. It is for the person who wants to add dual 4K monitor support to their workspace for maximum productivity. It is for the parent wanting to upgrade a cheap office PC so their kids can play Minecraft without lag. And it is for the home theater enthusiast who wants crisp, quiet 4K media playback in a tiny, stealthy computer case. It is versatile, it requires no complicated power cables, and the GDDR5 memory ensures it punches above its weight class for light gaming and daily tasks. If you are ready to give your computer the massive display upgrade it deserves without draining your bank account, do yourself a favor. Scroll down into the description right now and click that Amazon link. Checking out the link is the absolute best way to see the current stock, get fast shipping, and secure this amazing budget component for your next build. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and you love seeing budget-friendly hardware reviews, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the best tech deals and upgrade guides. Drop a comment below and let me know, what kind of old PC are you planning to upgrade with a low-profile card? I read all your comments and I'd love to hear about your budget bills. Click that link in the description to grab your GT 1030 today, and I will see you all in the next video. Stay smart and happy building.